Hello, this is Tash Tyres. I've got a Peugeot 3008 here on a 59 plate. I'm just doing a headlight bulb on this, a dip beam one. We'll show you which one it is first. Can you switch the lights on, please? As you can see, the driver's side one is working and the passenger side one isn't. But if you look at the bulb is fitted in correctly, but possibly that's the reason it fused out. So I'm going to show you how it's done. Now on the back here, you've got a cover. As you can see, this cover here, we need to remove the cover first. And then you've got the plug. You gently remove the plug, the bulbs come out with it. I'm just going to use my second hand here now. Go on. Rightio. So if I take the bulb out, that's the bulb. It's a H7 bulb. I've already got the bulb out here, which is a 2-pin bulb. So what I need to do is I need to fit the bulb in like this. Oops, lights off please. Lights off, yep. Thank you. Right, I now try to slot the bulb in to that gap there. So this little lug bit on the bulb, which faces up, so you push the bulb in place and then you see through the hole, as you can see right there. That's it. That's sitting perfect. As you can see, it's right in the center. Now you can switch the lights on. That's lovely. That's all you gotta do on your car. Just remember, when you do put everything back, just remember to put everything back together, like the cover itself. So that's for the water. So don't forget this, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thank you. Goodbye.